This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and my youngest daughter's going to make us some chicken dip, buffalo chicken dip, and what she's got is we've got 2 cans of white chicken that has been drained, and she's putting those into this pan. And we're just doing this quick because it's like 8 o'clock at night. And she wants some dip, so she's going to make some. So that's 2 cans of the white breast. I'll show you. This is Members Mark. This is from Sam's Club. So it's just chunk chicken breast in water. And then right here we've got 2/3 of an 8-ounce package of Great Value cream cheese. This is just regular cream cheese.
You melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds.
Melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds, or you can let it sit out and get come to room temperatures, what I usually do.
Yep.
And over here's Caden. There's Caden. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Alright, here she is. She's mixing all this up. Right now it's just the chicken and the cream cheese, and you put this in the oven. So what have you got your oven temp set
400.
on? You preheat the oven to 400 degrees. And then she's going to mix all this together.
Right. You do like 1/3 of a cup of ranch.
Yep.
1/3 of a cup of ranch.
Or maybe 1/2 cup.
I'm gonna have a cup.
Okay, Caden.
I'm scrapping.
And then she's got a jar of Frank's Red Hot Wing buffalo sauce.
Oh, yeah.
1/2 cup of that.
About 1/2 cup of that.
Mama.
Hold on, baby.
That's gonna be so hard for me to taste it.
No, it won't, baby. Once it all mixes together.
You like hot stuff, so does your daddy.
Okay.
You've got to make sure you get this chicken finely shredded.
Okay. Alright, just like she said, you've got to make sure that you get all of the chicken. I don't know why she's using plastic forks, but that's okay. Alright.
Okay. And then mix in cheese. About 1/3 of a cup of cheese.
Fiesta Blend. She's using Great Value Fiesta Blend. And I think that's going to be about a cup. I think about a cup of cheese.
Well,
And is that it? Is that all the ingredients?
yeah.
Alright, so you mix all this up.
Yeah, and then after I'm done mixing it all together, I'll put a layer of cheese on top of it.
Okay.
And then put
So
it in the oven
is
for like 15 minutes.
So it is a good cup of cheese, maybe even a cup and a half with the 2 cans of chicken in here. So, alright, we'll bring you right back when she gets this all mixed up and show you what it looks like before she puts it in the oven. Okay, so here it is, getting ready to go into the oven on 400 for how long?
15 minutes.
For 15 minutes until the cheese melts good. So it's 2 cans of the chicken, 2/3 of a 8-ounce package of cream cheese, a cup and a half of any cheese you want. This is Fiesta cheese. Usually we use cheddar cheese, but so it's a cup and a half of any cheese. Frank's Red Hot sauce, buffalo sauce, like a half of a cup of that, and probably a fourth of a cup of ranch. Now you just put it in the oven and bake it for 15 minutes on 400. All right, I'll bring you back. Okay, here it is. It's done. We're going to put some on the plates. I've got my Christmas plates. We're going to put some of that, put some of it on the plate. You can use chicken in the biscuits. You can use Doritos. That's what they're using. I'm going to use chicken in a biscuit. But I just wanted to, I was thinking about what all you could do with this. I mean, this would be for picnics, for just going over Super Bowl, watching football, watching basketball, anything, any get-togethers that you have. And also in that, before you cook it, you could put the chicken mixture on a pizza and make a buffalo chicken pizza, and that would be really good. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your friends and your family. And you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.